Hey everybody, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it with another unboxing. This time, we're doing two in one. These are two new speakers from Sony, the XE200, and then the bigger version, the XE300. And I decided to unbox both of these at the same time because if you're watching this, you're probably wondering which one you want to get. So we have a chance to kind of compare them once we take them out of the box, because this one right over here, as you can see, comes with 16 hours of battery life, whereas if you go up to the XE300, you're going to get 24 hours of battery life. So bigger size, of course, that means bigger battery. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing right now to see how it looks and to see how it's all set up. So that's a nice, neat, organized way of having the instruction manuals and also the warranty information right here on the front. You see you have a USB-C cable, so that's nice. So I'll just go ahead and quickly open this up to show you what's inside. And a lot of tech companies are doing minimal packaging, so all this looks to be recyclable except for this fabric, I believe. I don't think that is recyclable. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this out so we can get a first look at this unique design of the speaker. This is a big old bad boy. That's really interesting. So now, just for comparisons, let me just quickly take this one out and show you what it is in comparison. And just see how the design is different between these two. Oh, okay, so let me just take this stuff out. Oh, I'm getting all mixed up now. Okay. Whoa, so first thing I notice right now, this one does have a little handle strap built right into it, whereas this one does not. And that's interesting because this is big. Like, how else are you going to carry it? Like, look at the size of it. Even to my hand, it's quite large. Oh, accidentally turned it on. So, what is interesting is you can just kind of tell by looking at it and the way that the buttons are placed that this is really meant to sit vertically up, both of them. I'm still surprised that this one doesn't have a strap. It does have this kind of rubber coating, so you could lay it down flat like this. It's got what basically looks like a pentagon style design, and this is on purpose. Sony had designed this to kind of replicate speakers that they use in live performances in like stadiums and stuff. So it's not a 360-degree sound. Like, look, I guess the sound is going to be coming out of this part of the fabric right on the top. I guess that's where the woofers are on the sides over here. But otherwise, this is pretty much covered, and that's quite interesting. Let me just compare it to this one. Again, you have sounds coming over here. So I think speaker placement, the way you place this is going to be important. I'll have to check that out when I do reviews for both of these. Another interesting thing is both of these connect on the Sony, I believe it's called the Music Center app. And in that app, you can actually group these together to do a stereo pair, so like a left channel and a right channel, or you can do, like, I think there's a party mode where you can have multiple Sony speakers connected if they are all compatible with that app, and then basically create a multi-room speaker system. So that is something I'm going to try out. I was actually thinking about putting these two speakers kind of around my jump rope pad and then jumping to it. Check this out. I also have this Sony speaker. This is the XG300. So all three of these I'm going to connect, put them around my jump rope pad and jump inside of the music. So you want to make sure that you find that video on my channel as well. Once again, this is just a simple unboxing of the XE200 and the XE300 from Sony. You can see the size difference. I'm still puzzled why one has it a strap and the other one doesn't. But I feel like a lot of people are going to like this size, and just this alone is going to make it more portable, whereas this is kind of, I'd say, something you would be more stationary that you could take with you. But they have rugged builds. Both of these are built to like handle the occasional drops and whatnot. So They're not like these little precious Bluetooth speakers. You can take them around. Anyways, I'm just rambling on, folks. I want to get to the review. I'm going to test both these out. So you want to go to my channel. I'll have separate reviews for both of them. Then maybe I'll do another video, all three Sony speakers together as a multi-room speaker system. We'll check that in both indoors and outdoors. Andy Baryer from Handy Andy Media. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Keep up to date on all these tech reviews and handy tips. You want to subscribe for that. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.